Reasons you can use so you can upgrade to the Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with a few key upgrades that makes it stand out. There's a massive 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with razor-thin bezels, Snapdragon 855, a new S Pen with air gestures, and 4300 mAh battery. Then there's 45W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4 cameras at the back. Combine all that with the latest internal hardware available today and you get a fantastic phone for the latter half of 2019. Stunning new design, there are new colors: Aura Glow, Aura White, Aura Black, and Aura Blue on a boxy design. More capable S Pen, it supports more features and a more open API to easily develop new apps for the Note 10 Plus. 45W wired charging, 15W wireless, less time charging, more time moving. If you have the 45W power brick, you can charge the Note 10 Plus faster. Micro SD slot, if the 256GB and 512GB is not enough for you, you can add more with the use of the SD card slot. However, just think of these cons about the Note 10 Plus. Expensive, it is $1,100 United States dollars. Yes, it is $400 United States dollars more than the price of a Galaxy Note 9. No headphone jack, Samsung joined the club, and the only compromise that the Note 10 Plus may have is the lack of the jack.